Hi there, welcome back to my channel. In case we haven't met before, I'm Anastasia, the founder of All You Can Face, and I'm passionate about teaching you how to exercise your facial muscles, because what happens beneath the skin is equally important as what we put on top of it to stay looking beautiful and age gracefully. And I always say your hands are your most precious beauty tool, and I already made a video which I will link in the description below about the beauty of our hands and how our hands reveal our age sometimes faster than we actually would like to. And today we will not talk about the face or the skin, but I'll show you a little routine which you can follow along right away with me, and we will relax our hands, increase blood circulation, elongate our fingers a little bit, and you can beautify your hands if you do this routine regularly. Make sure to use a moisturizer or hand cream before you start this routine, and know that you can do all the moves in your own pace, and if you feel like a movement doesn't feel as good as another, just try to stick to the other one and really make it about you, about your own hands, and hopefully you will feel relaxed and better after this. So, let's go! So I hope your hands feel a little bit better, you feel a little bit more relaxed, because in the end, you just took a little bit time off to invest in yourself and really take care of yourself, which this channel is all about. So if you would like to know more about how to improve yourself, how to age gracefully, and just really become the best version of yourself in a really natural and sustainable way, then please subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell, and I can't wait to see you next week. Till then, mwah!